Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best gear for your machines. Today, we're diving into the FVRITO Performance VM22 26mm Carburetor Carb. Touted as the ultimate Predator performance kit available. Whether you're into go-karts, mini bikes, or 212cc engines, this kit promises to elevate your performance to the next level. At the heart of this kit is the FVRITO VM22 26mm Carburetor, designed specifically for engines like the Predator 212cc and Honda GX200. It's built to deliver optimal air-fuel mixture for enhanced horsepower and smoother engine performance. Equipped with a 38mm air filter intake manifold, it ensures a larger volume of clean, dust-free air into your engine. Perfectly fits models like the Coleman Connecticut 200U, BT200X, KT196, and more, making it versatile for various applications. Comes with all necessary components including gaskets, mounting screws, and a wrench for hassle-free setup. Ideal for racing enthusiasts and hobbyists alike, offering a significant horsepower enhancement for competitive edge. If you're looking to upgrade your engine's performance without breaking the bank, the FVRITO VM22 Carburetor Carb is your go-to choice. It's designed to optimize fuel delivery and airflow, ensuring your engine runs at peak performance during every ride. In conclusion, the FVRITO VM22 26mm Carburetor Carb is not just a replacement part but an upgrade to your engine's capabilities. Whether you're hitting the track or exploring off-road trails, this kit promises reliability and enhanced performance. Don't settle for less when you can get the best. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, ride safe and stay tuned for more gear reviews.